she's right. YouTube done became so saturated with vlogs and pranks and music videos. Like, I'm not gonna judge nobody because everybody wants to be a music artist now. YouTube has become so saturated to the point where nobody does like what I'm doing now, makeup tutorials or beauty reviews or makeup swaps and stuff like that. They don't do that no more. You don't see many of us still doing it. And I say many of us because that's what I started my channel off as. Do y'all actually miss that? Because Jackie put it to my attention, or should I say brought it out to my attention even more, but I miss doing that. I miss when YouTube was about that. That's when I started, and I'm pretty sure when I started, they already had the OGs like Platinum D, Jackie Ina, Jacqueline Hill,